This 2026 East to West Della Terra 275BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West and features Sleeps 8 slide out. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.